So this is a super short video of what you need to do inside of make.com if you want to decode an API response that is base64 encoded. And what you want to use is this toBinary function down here, because the toBinary function accepts a string, which is the response that you get, and an encoding standard. Now there is a function in make called base64, but that lets you transform text into something that is base64 encoded. And here we want to do the opposite. Now, where might you need that? And how can you tell if something is base64 encoded? Here I have an example response. This is from the Gemini API, and it gives me a long JSON response. And inside this JSON response is something that's called, in this case, inline data that has a MIME type, and then a really enormous data string, basically. And this data string is the data of the file that you want to decode. And again, to use this string that you saw in the JSON response, to actually save that as a file, you need to use the toBinary function to take that string, to give it a decoding algorithm, in this case base64, and that will decode this string and put it into an actual physical file, that you can then use and upload, download anywhere. So I hope this helps. I kept the video short. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or get in touch with me at this email.